But we will try to solve it at the earliest possible.
Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma yesterday informed that the state government is waiting for the second installment to be released by the Centre for Clearing the salary of the SSA teachers in the state. Sangma informed that the Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tingsong chaired a meeting with a delegation of the Megla Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan Schools Association. He said that the meeting has discussed at length on certain issues flagged by the association, including the regular release of their salary and pending areas. Earlier after the meeting, the president of the association, Aristotle C. Rimba, informed that the association has requested the state government to put more budget provision in the state budget for the SSA during the current financial year 2023-24 to address the issue of irregular payment of salaries to the teachers.
The issue mostly for regular release of the salary and pending area, all these things. So we have told them that we are on job. I think we are trying our best to sort it out the issue for the last 2 months only, because we have clear up to the month of December. We are awaited the ministry to release, and next 15 days I think we'll come to know. I think we are expecting soon to release the second installment from the ministry within this month.